Hello, and welcome to the tutorial video on the 3DGS data acquisition specifications. To obtain high-quality scan results, please follow the guidelines for data collection. First, choose the right environment. For outdoor conditions, pick a cloudy or overcast afternoon. Avoid direct sunlight to prevent overexposure, glare, and shadows. For indoor conditions, turn on the lights and close the curtains in advance to stabilize the lighting. When selecting the scanning location, choose a static scene and avoid crowded areas to prevent moving objects from affecting the scan results. Pay attention to scientifically planning the scanning path. Begin with a circular scan to ensure adjacent photos overlap by more than half. Make sure to plan the scanning path carefully. Before starting, plan the route in advance and begin with a circular scan to minimize data loss. Set the capture interval to 0.5 seconds or shorter to ensure continuous data. Before scanning, follow the prompt to remove the protective cover and place the equipment on a flat surface. Then start once initialization is complete. Keep the lens free of dust and fingerprints, as this is essential for clear capture. When holding the equipment, keep it in front of your body. If there are other staff members following, they must stay behind the operator, not on the sides, to ensure the radar and camera do not capture them. For regular scenes, the movement speed should not exceed 0.8 meters per second. If scanning key objects or in low light, turning, or changing direction, it's recommended to reduce the speed to below 0.5 meters per second to ensure each frame is clear and usable. For objects of different heights, squat to scan the bottom, stand to scan the middle, and raise the equipment to scan the top to avoid blind spots. When scanning with multiple routes, ensure there is overlap between the paths to guarantee completeness. For narrow spaces like corridors or doorways, make sure to open the door in advance and walk sideways. For reflective, transparent objects, glass, metal, water, avoid, cover, or remove them. Like white walls, capture textured object from a distance or add temporary markers. For high-contrast backlit scenes, close curtains for indoor lighting and choose evenly lit times for outdoor scenes.